So, a lot of you like making videos with your phone. You love the whole idea of making videos with your phone because Kegan will always say the closest camera to you is your phone. And some of you have some of the most amazing phone in the market. But you don't know how to use it because whenever you want to do video, you just go pick up the phone and just start videoing and do whatever you want to do. A quick tip on how to get better videos on your phone. Yes, I said it, on your phone. You see, whenever you move around with your phone, your hand goes and you touch your camera. Whenever you move around, you touch back of your phone. Even the front camera, you normally touch the front camera. So whenever you want to make videos, the first thing you should always do is to use whatever you're wearing. Make sure it's not this kind of cotton. Make sure the material is soft. Use it and just clean your lens, both back and front. When you do that, it helps you to give you a cleaner video and a finer video. Clean, fine, because your video might be fine but not clean enough based on the environment where you shot it. But this will enhance the whole video for you. So if this idea has helped you or is going to help you, make sure you drop a like and share this video. Peace.